Have you ever wanted to create cool film looking videos from just your phone, but you struggle because your phone doesn't have so much features like your camera? Well, what if I told you that you don't need an expensive camera to create cool film looking videos? Because with Filmora's newest update with just the Filmora Mobile app, you can now do it with no problems at all. Now, before I show you how you do it, let me just show you an example of what I mean about the film look. Now, I've made some other videos on this, you can go check it out, but all of those tutorials was on the Filmora on your laptop or on your PC. But this is just with your phone. So let me show you how to get those cool, crisp, retro film looks just with your phone. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here is what you want to do. You want to go to the Filmora app on your smartphone. Then you simply want to press new project. Now once you're here, you can select literally any video. I'm just gonna go with this one right here. Then you say import. Now once you have the video in your timeline, as you guys can see here, it's just a random video of a house. Then you want to go here at the bottom, you want to search for filter. Then you want to press on that. Now once you're here, you can scroll and you can see there's a bunch of different, you got basic, you got film, mono, night, summer, whatever, but you want to go to retro because this is more of a film retro type of thing you kind of do. So then you can see there is a bunch of different options you can choose from. So now you can simply select between anyone you would like. So let's press this one for example, and boom. As you guys can see, it already looks kind of filmish. So now the cool thing about this, now here at the top you can say adjust. So now if this filter is too bright for you or too dark for you, you can simply adjust everything here as well. So you can adjust the contrast, let's do the exposure and everything like that. So let's go to, I don't know, saturation. So as you guys can see, you can obviously play around temperature as well. So there is so many things that you can select and choose and adjust with just Filmora on your phone. Now you can obviously select other type of filters. I mean, there's a bunch of them that you can choose from, but this is basically just the basics of them, showing you that this is how simple it really is. And if you want to just do the one part, you can obviously here at the bottom you can just select and slide this, so then now the filter will only start in the half of the clip. So yeah, that's basically the whole thing that you have to understand if you want to create that film look on your phone. Okay, so there you have it. Now you also know how to get that film look using only Filmora Mobile. And as you guys saw, it is very simple and it doesn't really take any skill to do. Now that I just showed you is the bare minimum. I mean, there's so much more effects and filters and stuff that you can try, but that is basically it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.